Hey YouTube, come with me to recreate this set I got off of Pinterest. I'm gonna show y'all the whole process the long way. I also posted this on my TikTok. It'll be linked down in the description, and I hope you enjoy. So this is what I used to achieve the pop-off method. I used 2 coats of the pop-off base and then 1 coat of the matte top coat. And this is gonna be a stiletto set, just like the picture. If you're wondering what acrylic and monomer I used, here they are. Here's a little bit of my application. I just want to show y'all a little bit. Let me know if I should make a full video on stiletto application. Now once application is done, you're going to see me do a little bit of my shaping routine. I go back and forth between my hand file and my e-file. After shaping, I'll give my nails a good dusting and I spray them down with alcohol. Before the nail art, I paint every nail with a layer of matte top coat to have a smooth foundation. My liner brush and my polishes are from Beetles Gel. For the tortoise nail, you're going to need a brown, a clear, and black. You start off by painting down your brown base. I did all French tips on every nail, so you're going to see me draw my French tip here. To get the tortoise look, you're going to mix your brown, clear, and black to get a darker brown. Coat the nail with blooming gel and then apply that dark brown that you just made. And then cure that. And then go on top of that with just black to give it a little bit more detail. And you can be as random as you want with the placement. It's really up to you. Just make it look organic. For the gold foil detail, you may or may not be able to see in the inspo picture. I'm going to use gold flakes and just place that on top of the tacky gel. Again, being as random as you like. After you're satisfied, flash cure the gold foil and then top coat it. For this giraffe print nail, I went in with a yellow base. I did go in with 2 coats of it just so that it could be a little bit more vibrant underneath the brown. Because it is a 3D giraffe print, I am going to top coat before I do the brown spots. And you just draw the spots however you like. Now without curing the brown spots that you just made, you're going to go in and top them off with clear acrylic powder and be very generous with it. Cure that for 60 seconds and then give them a good dusting. Middle finger isn't really too complicated, it's just a 3D croc print French. As you can see, I'm very detailed about my Frenchies. But before you do the croc print, you are going to top coat the French tip by itself and then go in and make your little croc print design. Once again, don't cure the gel. You just go straight in with the clear acrylic powder. The ring finger is just going to be a simple cow print, so I'm not going to say too much about this one. The beauty of all these designs is that you can make them however you like and they will look good, because animal prints are not picture perfect. And that's what I love about them. They're so cute and easy to do. Now for my last design, it is just going to be a cheetah print with a baby pink base. Once I have my French to my liking, I go in with this peach tone and I make the random spots. I cured that layer for 30 seconds and then I go in and make my black detail. And this is the final look. They came out perfect. I love the shape, I love the design. Everything is eaten for me. I hope you all enjoyed watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Bye!